Good day guys, and welcome to this video. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to unblock someone on Facebook page. So guys, before I proceed, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for arts and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So now head over to your Facebook app. So after wait for your Facebook app to load. After it has opened, so now tap on your profile icon at the top right hand of your screen. Tap on it. Now after tapping on it, now scroll down a bit, you see the settings and privacy. Tap on it on the drop down. So now select settings under settings and privacy. So now on at the top of your screen under this page section, tap on page settings. So now you see blocking under rules on the privacy section. Tap on blocking. And then you see people which you have blocked in the past. So just select anyone you want to unblock. Let me see Luna Richa. I want to unblock this person. Okay, so now just are you sure you want to unblock Luna Richa and any profiles they may create? Tap on unblock. And this person has been unblocked successfully. Okay, so guys, that's how to block someone or unblock someone on Facebook page. So before I conclude, I'll appreciate once again if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for arts and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.